like the
Mm,
Wolfhounds or the Cavalier King Charles Spaniels.
I don't know, but that's too much.
Usually it's around like the 12, 10 to 12.
Mm, yes,
Wow. I'm getting
usually.
FPS drops for some reason.
Coming over. I'm coming over. Easy missions, yeah. I mean, that's a tier 5. Buy a device just to. You got the idea, guys. You missed Chili's stream beat. They gave away codes for gaming against cancer campaign, PS199 plan, and 3 crates. Got 2 more tier 4s out of those and some gold. Whew. They gave away. Who they? Yeah, I missed it. I missed it. I completed. Okay, I don't have to play low TX anymore. Yeah, who's they? That's a good question. Because maybe it was not like wargaming, you know. I I would be happy to hear that wargaming supported that activity, but I think that those codes, guys from the campaign, were invited. Yeah, I know. Uh, that's very nice because I actually did more of these streams. That's not like a first for him. I missed the last one, but I was before in those charity streams. Guys from the campaign were invited in the stream. Of course, Wargaming was part of it. Who do you think made the code? I think you can like purchase some, give some money, pay for an aircraft, let's say, or for some crates or for whatever, and the company, in this case Wargaming, giving you some codes. Invite them as well, Pete.